appreciate what you done for my boy, Harvey.
Carol and Tim, where are they?
Somewhere where Racine can't find him.
We've had guys on this place 24/7. How the hell did you get in here?
3 years ago, she learned a few things.
So YA was right. 3 years ago, now, you were working for Racine.
Is that what you believe?
You let me think you were dead. And now you're holding a burner on me.
You're a good cop, Harvey. When I put this down, you're gonna take me in. And I can't let you do that, not yet. Not when I'm so close.
So close to what?
There is a dirty cop on Racine's payroll. So in order to throw them off of his guy, Racine dirtied me up, and the IA boarded hook, line, and sinker.
Why didn't you just come to me?
Look, cases like mine are contagious, brother. I couldn't let you catch what I had. Racine's guy fed them so much garbage they could lock me up. And if I had let them, Racine would have had me shanked at Rikers before I could clear my name.
Where you been?
Watching, learning. That's how I found out about the ledger.
Racine pays nose.
Everyone on his payroll, including the dirty cop that set me up.
The ledger wasn't in the bank like you thought.
Somehow Racine found Finch.
You were there, man. We found your prints.
You did when I found him off. I just closed his eyes. Come on, man.
And the ledger?
I know where the ledger is. But I need a little more time, Harvey. Just until tomorrow night.
You used to carry yours with you all the time.
I still do, man.
And that means there's somebody else mixed up in this. Somebody from the 54th.
Whoever it is, they tip Racine and I'm still alive, which means they're close. Maybe a part of your investigation.
54th. Deming.